most important operation in a array deletion. So already we have seen insert, how to insert element in a particular list. The same thing here we are going to see about a delete operation, how we can do the deletion in a particular list. Okay, if you are taking some list of elements, from that list we have to delete one more elements. After that we have to display that particular elements after deletion. It's a main thing in this one. So from the list we have to remove the elements. That is called as a deletion operation. So the given list is containing certain elements. From that we have to delete from one elements at a time. Okay, only one element will be deleted at a time. Hereby, L is a linear array. Already we told in an insert operation. I think same thing here coming. So L is a linear array. So array, you know what is it? It's the same data type in a linear manner. So N is a element. K is a positive integers. J is a particular elements. What we have to insert or delete, that particular element is called as a same, or we can give any other name. Okay. So here this is a condition. K is always less than or equal to N. In kth position we can to add and delete the element. So here from algorithm, first we have to start that insert operation. Second we have to set J equal to K. So that is nothing but in particular position, in particular element, we are calling it as that element J. That position we are calling it as a K. It must be in an integer. Okay. So again, we have to repeat the fourth and fifth step. Likewise, LA from a list in a particular element, we have to find what we have to delete, which element we have to delete. So after that, we have to increment the position from that particular element. If the particular element we can reach, we can delete that particular portion of the element. That is, if we are taking a list of elements, if for example here 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8 is certain elements displayed in a list. If you want to delete from a list in a 5 means, we have to find which position the J or a fifth 5 this element is placed in a list, we have to find. After that, we have to delete that particular element. Okay. So from in a list we have to create so 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 in a same, all must be an integer, same data type in a list or array, linear array. From that we have to delete this 5. After that we have to display that particular element. Okay. If you want to delete this 5 means, we have to find what is its index value or what is its position. Okay. So already we know that in array we can store the values from by and we can refer the index value. Okay. We can store the values like 0, 1. Sorry, here it will be giving confusion. So again we are give it 1, 2, 3, 4. That index value must be stored in a 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have to delete this element means we have to refer this index value. Okay. So from A of 2 we have to delete means delete. If you are giving delete, it will remove the elements from the list. After it will display that like 1, 2 and 4. So from the list 3 will be ending. That is 3 will be deleted. So use the index value. We can delete the given element, then again we can display that particular list of array elements. Okay. So it's a main important thing. So it may be delete operation, maybe take it as in a list in a first position or a last position or a middle of the position. So in a K we are call it as a position. So that position, based on that position we can delete the element from a list. Again, I can giving one more example. So in a delete operation, we are taking the list of elements like here. We are taking 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, we have to add the sixth element. So this element we have to add in the end of the list. Okay, this is a starting point. Ending point. Okay. So here we want to add the list means So we can add the elements and we can delete elements here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can insert element here also and we can delete the element here also. Okay. We have to delete 5 means it will delete that particular position of the element. Again it will display the remaining element. Okay. So it's a delete operation. Thank you.